Hello everyone. How to sell your product in MQL market. The MQL market is the largest market of EA robots, scripts and indicators. To sell your product here, just follow these simple steps. Registration as a seller, enter product information, upload product logo, enter product description, upload product screenshots and upload compiled file ex4 or ex5. Registration as a seller. Create your free account on www.mql5.com. Log into your account, click Profile, go to Settings. In Main, enter your first name, last name and country. Click Save. Then in Security, enter your mobile number. You will receive your MetaCodes ID. Click Save. Go to Seller and verify your identity. Take photo of your identity document using mobile phone and upload. You may use any of your passport, driving license, national ID card, residence permit, etc. But scanned copy is not accepted. Then take your selfie using mobile phone as per mentioned guidelines. Identity verification process will be completed within few minutes. And now you have been registered as a seller. Next step is entry of product information. For this, go to Market at top menu and click Add Product. Following information will be required from you. Let's do it. First of all, enter your product title. It must not contain mentioning of money and any promises of acknowledgement. This is the policy of MQL market. The title should reflect product purpose so that users can quickly find your product among other similar products. Then, select the product category from the list: expert, advisor, indicator, library, utility. Then select type according to your product. Enter price. Unselect the free checkbox and enter your desired amount. Each sale of your product will be charged for 20% by the MQL market and you will get 80% share. A short-term renting option for a low fee can also be used. Enter the number of activations that you want to give to the buyer of your software. The minimum number of activations is 5. Actually, this mechanism protects your software from unauthorized copying. In fact, during one activation, your software is bound to bias only one computer, and copy of the software will not work on some another computer. If the activation limit is exceeded by the buyer will have to purchase the product again. Acceptance, click Add and then click Save. The next step is upload the product logo. Required size is 200 by 200 pixels. Select from Big Logo option to generate other two required sizes. The recommended format is PNG. The logo must not contain images of money or valuables. As the product on market showcases are displayed on a white background, so it is recommended to use a contrasting background of logo. Click Save. Next, enter product description. For example, you can write here the trading strategy, risk management method and system parameters used by the agent. But don't guarantee or promise profit in the description. Click Save. Next is product screenshots. Here, upload screenshots to demonstrate how your product works, like chart screenshots and backtesting results, etc. Maximum size is 1920 by 1080 pixels and minimum size is 720 pixels at least on one side. The recommended format is PNG. It is advisable to use black color and white background when getting screenshots of the charts. This scheme matches the store showcase design. Best of all. You can also add YouTube video links here to demonstrate your product operations. Next is product versions. In this section, upload the compiled product file EX4 or EX5. A product can contain only one EX4 or EX5 file. Additional files are not allowed. Future product updates will also be uploaded via this section by selecting Upgrade option here. Before uploading, check that the code must contain the file version in this format as start of code. This version must be raised every time when you upload new version. Please note that there is no separation for the minor versions, so 1.01 and 1.1 means the same minor version. After uploading file, click Save and then Submit for review. The uploaded file is instantly sent for automatic validation. It only takes no more than 10 minutes. If errors are detected, you will receive notification. In this case, you should check the testing report and fix errors. Programs are tested using the trading environment from the MetaCode's demo server. If you cannot reproduce the problem on your account, then open a demo account on MetaCode's demo server and check it. After passing the automatic checks, your product will become available to public via the MQL5.com website and in MetaTrader terminal. How to update product versions? As soon as you publish an update of your software, your clients will receive upgrade notification and will be able to install the updated version through their MetaTrader terminal. How to view sales statistics of your product? Go to Seller section and then click on Statistics. Here you can also see the geographical distribution of your sales. So that was all about how to sell your product in MQL market. Don't miss our next video. This video will make your trading much easier.